Hello. Today I'm going to show you the lighting options on your Vauxhall Corsa MK4 exterior lights. We are sitting in the driver's position. The main beam and headlight flash. Push stalk forward to switch from dipped beam to main beam. To switch to dipped beam, push stalk forward against or pull towards steering wheel. To operate the headlight flash, pull stalk towards steering wheel. The main beam is switched on for as long as the stalk is held in the position. The blue control indicator lamp is illuminated when main beam or headlight flash is on. Here you can see the options of your light settings. We have some light settings here. Light setting number 1 is off. The second thing is the parking lights. That means the parking lights are now on. The next option is the dipped or main beam. All these options will indicate the light at your front panel. That means the dipped beam and the headlight flash will get you information on your driver's HUD. Here you can see easily, isn't it? And if you are rotating this knob, you can select the different options. The light switch will get you off, parking lights, and dipped or main beam. But there is more. If you're pushing the button, this will get more. It will get your front fog light on or off, or your rear fog light. At the other wheels, you are able to adjust your front lights. That means if you get some load in your trunk, then you have to adjust it a little bit. The right wheel is for the light level at your interior, at your front interior sides. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. So soon.